Hi, boys and girls. Today is lesson 20, session 2. We're jumping around. We skipped right over session 1 in lesson 20. So we're on page 455, and you'll see a develop counting to 120. So I'm going to go ahead and read the blue words for you. It says, Celia counts by ones up to 106. Then she continues counting. Which three numbers does she say next? So you need to give us these next three numbers. 1, 2, 3. All right, take a minute and think about what three numbers come next. All right, unpause if you're ready, and I will tell you what three numbers come next. So you can count on and figure this out. 106, 107, 108, 109. So I'm counting on 1, 2, 3 more spaces. 106, 107, 108, 109. Those would be the three numbers she says next. You could use counters. You could use a 120 chart. And then on the back page, it looks like this. You have your model it, where the book says how they would solve it. Looks like they would solve it using a hundreds chart. So it restates the problem. It says Celia counts by ones up to 106. Then she continues counting. Which three numbers does she say next? Model it. Which three numbers come after 106? Celia counts 107, 108, 109. Start at 106 on the 120th chart. Count out loud. Circle the next three numbers in a row. So if we're going to count at 100, we're going to start at 106 and count on the next three numbers, and then we're going to circle them. 106, 107, 108, 109. So you would circle 107, 108, 109. Next, it says, how is your way? Like model it, how is it different? So my way was similar because I got these same three numbers. I didn't use a hundreds chart, I just counted on, which is also what you do in a hundreds chart, you count on. Number 2, how is counting numbers greater than 100? Like counting up to 10. Oh, well, it's this, it's similar because look at this, boys and girls. 6, 7, 8, 9. So look at how these last digits in the ones place are like counting up to 10, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, and then comes 10. So, so it repeats numbers, right? I have 101, 102, 103. There's my 1, 2, 3. Next one is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 110. Now below it says apply it, fill in the blanks, count by ones. So we're going to count by ones from 104 is where they have us starting. So number 3 says 104, and then it does a comma, blank, comma, 107, comma, and then you're filling in the blank. Now number 4, I'll come back to that one, says 1 more than 94, 1 more than 94 is blank. Number 5, 1 more than 110 is blank. Okay, so count by ones. 104, after 4 comes 5. So 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. Okay, it's this one digit that's changing because I'm adding 1 every time. So the only place that's changing is the ones place. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. One more than 94. So 1 is only changing the ones place, okay, because I have 1. So 1 more than 94 is 95. 1 more than 110 is 111. All right, now turn the page. Ooh, you'll see a really big hundreds charts. It says fill in the blanks. Count by ones. 97, so this is number 6. You're counting by, these are all ones, okay? So you have 97, blank, blank, 3 blanks. And then you get 101. So go ahead and do that one. Number 7 is 69, blank, blank. 3 ones? Yep, and then 73. So you have to figure out what numbers are hiding there, and you can use your hundreds chart that the book gives you. Number 8 is 80, blank, 82, and 2 more, 1, 2. And number 9 is 1 more than 1 more than blank. 1 more than blank is 111. And number 10, 1 more than 119 is blank. All right, so we're going to go all the way to the top, and we're going to start with number 6. It says count by ones. If you wanted to, you could find 97 on your hundreds chart. There it is. And count by ones to follow along if you need to know. Then count by ones from 69. And look, you go down to the very next row. Count by ones, start at 80. Okay, 1 more than 119. 1 more than blank is 111. Okay, so I'm just gonna count on 97. I'm counting by ones. Remember, the only thing that's changing is that ones place. The ones place is the only thing I'm worried about because it's 1. Okay, that's it. Except for if you are here. So 69, you take that 9, you add a 1 here, and it becomes another group of 10. So watch, 97, 98, 99. Oh, I add 1 more here, but it turns that into 100. So now I don't have 9 groups of 10. I have 10 groups of 10, which is 100. Okay. 69, same here. 70, 71, 72, 73. Start out at 80. Okay. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 1 more than blank is 111. So if it's 1 more than this number, that means it's 1 less than this number. So 1 less than 111 is 110. So 1 more than 110 is 111. Yep, if I add 1 onto 110, I get 111. 1 more than 119 is 120. So remember, I'm adding 1 here. It becomes 120. See how I did that? Okay, awesome. Now you're on the green pages. You made it. And it says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 4. So problems 1 through 4, it says in the example, count by ones, use the chart. 1 more than 80 is 81. 1 more than 87 is 88. Count by ones, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Now down below, it says fill in the blanks, use the chart for problem number 1. 1 more than 65 is 66. Okay, you can use the chart. 1 more than 72 is 73. All right, number 2 says count by ones. Use the chart. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Problem, down below it says count by ones. Blank, 86. Ooh, so I need to know what comes before 86. Counting on 87, 88, 89. So what comes before 86? Well, 6, 7, 8, 9, 85. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn the page. It says for number 3, fill in the blanks. Use the chart. So now we're on number 3. I'm just going to change this and this and this. All right. 1 more than 95 is 96. Now I'm going across the row. It says 1 more than 105 is 106. Now let's jump down to the next row. 1 more than 99, I take 99, is 100. 1 more than 109 is 110. Now the next line says 1 more than 111 is 112. 1 more than 115 is 116. All right, now we're going to keep going. We have just the last little bit to do. So it says for problem number 4, it says fill in the blanks, use the chart, count by ones, starting at 97. So we're going to count by ones. 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. I ran out of room. 102. Can you see all that? Next line says count by ones, blank, 103. So 103, what comes before that is 102, 104, 105, 106. Last one, friends, it says count by ones, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119. Next would be 120. Great job, friends. See you tomorrow for more math.